Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming authorization and the administrative scope. Don't proceed without written permission. Once confirmed, collect the target host name or IP, the domain controller credentials if it's a domain machine, and any recovery keys or backup admin accounts. Make sure you can reach the console via KVM or out-of-band management, because remote-only approaches can lock you out. These steps prevent accidental policy violations and let you act quickly when you move to reset or recover access. Once you've got authorization and access, perform a sanctioned password reset. Use Active Directory users and computers for domain accounts or the local users tool for local accounts. If RDP is disabled, access the system via KVM or an out-of-band interface to sign in and re-enable remote desktop or restart the remote desktop services. Make sure group policy and firewall rules allow the connection, and validate that the account isn't locked out. These steps follow proper IT processes and preserve audit trails. After resetting access, test the RDP connection immediately and then revoke any temporary admin permissions you used. Document every step in your ticketing system, including the reason and authorization. If the connection fails, review Windows event logs for authentication or network errors, and confirm service status for remote desktop services. If you still cannot resolve it, escalate to domain administrators or the security team. Make sure your troubleshooting notes are complete so they can continue safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.